Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Chat GPT widget on Lenovo Tab M9. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and enter Wally AI. And now click search and select this application and click install. Now you can click open. Here you can skip this introduction. And now you have to open permissions and you have to allow this application to display over other apps and then click back. Now click start and as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget. You can open it and tell it to do something. And if you want to remove it, just drag it to the X in the middle and it has been removed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.